There is box number 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, and 12. Not sure what that's about, man. People just bouncing around the lucky number 7. 7 all the way, man, right? That's what I'm saying. Why is that 7 even still sitting there? People were avoiding the first, the last, and the middle, it looks like. 7 all the way. I got a good feeling about this, dude. I don't know why. I'm going to say it now, but I feel the Jameis Winston auto coming. All right? So there it is. I said it, so it's on film. If I do pull it, we have proof that I have some sort of powers. But I wish you the best of luck. As soon as this damn glove goes on, I can start this break. There they are. Box number 7. As chosen by JAYMONEY. There it is, box 7. Box number 7. Like I said, dude, I'm feeling something good in this one. I don't know why. I've had a good feeling tonight. In general, we've done pretty good. Got some good stuff, but I'm feeling something decent coming out of this one. I really am. Be awesome if I was right. Could be a girly though too, man. Like I said, I feel something decent coming. We will see. There they are, 10 packs, 10 packs. This is a 1-box personal break for JAYMONEY. We didn't already say it, we're saying it again. Here they are. And all their loveliness. Dez Bryant, Jamal Charles, nice man. Amari Cooper, short print. Amari Cooper, short print. And a Jalen Strong rookie. Sorry. Just organize my sleeves a little bit better. Alshon Jeffrey, Eli Manning, Deshaun Jackson, and Vic Beasley. Texan. Vontae Davis, Golden Tate, Jay Cutler, green variation. 166 of 499 on the Jay Cutler. There you go, the green variant. And a Benedict McKinney. Benadryl. I always think of his name as Benadryl. I don't know why. Jason Witten, Andre Johnson, Senquaz Golson, rookie, one of those kind, the variant. It's got all the shiny little components to it. I like those. And then a Tyler Lockett rookie. Matt Ryan, Kevin Benjamin, same guy, and Tyler Croft. Mario Williams, Adrian Peterson, nice, another Amari Cooper. Now you've gotten the 2 variants, man. Amari Cooper. I really like those, man. Those are cool looking cards. Chris Conley. I like those Amari Coopers. Or those variants. Those are both cool, man. You got both of them, see? So maybe that means that there's going to be an Amari Cooper autograph. I mean, you're running lucky. You got both jerseys last night and the helmet. Sean McCoy, Odell Beckham, Super Duper Rookies, Devontae Parker, another short print, Antoine Goodley. Nice, man. I like the short prints that they're coming up. Those are good. You want the short prints. Jay Bradley, welcome back. Richard Sherman, Tom Brady, Brandon Cooks, and Josh Robinson. Justin Houston, Bobby Wagner, Robert Griffin, short print, variation, and a Duke Johnson rookie card. I wish this rookie was doing better. I really like him. Alex Smith, Latavius Murray, Antonio Brown, nice man, and a Nelson Aguilar. And Antonio Brown is not numbered, but it's one of the blue ones, and they're nice. I like those. Show us the money here. Brandon Cooks, Deshaun Jackson. There we go. There's a Jameis Winston. It's the refractor version. Nice card. And a TJ Clemens. There's a Winston for you. Clay Matthews, Matt Forte, Tyler Lockett, green. Nice. Lorenzo Malden. Take a look if that's got a number on it. No number, but it's a nice Tyler Lockett, green rookie. Nice card. Jay Cutler. Andy Dalton. Terrell Davis. And a Stephon Diggs. Stephon Diggs Davis. Eric Decker. Arian Foster, TJ Yeldon, refractor rookie, and an Alex Carter. AJ Green, Cam Newton, Duke Johnson green, Paul Dawson. Duke Johnson. The Duke. Some good variants on the rookies right there, man. You're getting a lot of good variant rookies instead of like variant veterans that suck. Demarius Thomas, Andrew Luck, Matt Jones, super rookies. There you go, Matt Jones. And Herman. Mr. Herman. Still looking for the auto, man. It's making us wait, right? That's good, though. Hopefully it's going to be a good one. Hopefully the wait will be worth it. Patrick Peterson, Lamar Miller, Latavius Murray, and Devin Smith. Nick Foles, Jadeveon Clowney. There we go. There's another Winston. Another Winston short print, man. There you go. Those are nice. And Terrence McGee. There you go. Another Winston short print. I'll put that one as sleeve, man. I like those. Those are dope. Those are really cool. Still looking for the auto. Antonio Brown, Calvin Johnson, Dez Bryant, and Trey Waynes. Antonio Gates, Jeremy Macklin. I thought that was Latavius Murray for the Raiders. It's a refractor black, numbered 268 of 299 on that one. Four packs to go. Still looking for that auto. Ryan Tannehill. Greg Olson. Something's back here. Let's see. That's nice right there, dude. Javarius Allen. Josh Harper, but that's a pinky. That's the pink variant. 97 or 399 on that. I like those ones. Those are cool. It's a catch. Still looking for the auto, aren't we? Devontae Freeman, Percy. Thank God it wasn't an autograph of that guy, Vince Mayo. And Leonard Williams. We're getting down to the nitty-gritty, aren't we? We are down to the nitty-gritty wire here. It looks like it's going to come down to the last pack, my friend. Julian Edelman. Darrell Revis. Nope. Well, I was wrong. Marcus Peters. It was not a Jameis Winston. Brett Hundley. Marcus Peters for the Chiefs. Non-numbered. Wah, wah, wah. Yeah, this is personal. Well, that's not what I wanted to pull you. Is he? Well, there you go. I'm glad that that's okay then. All right, then I don't feel so bad. Thanks for clearing that up, Jay Bradley. Ben Roethlisberger, Jordy Nelson, Sammy Coates, super rookie short print, and a Ty Montgomery. Well, that's good. I'm glad that he's a good player. That's a good thing. Because I hate pulling bad ones. That's good then. It's an on-card. It's nice. Marcus Peters. Topps Chrome. Plus there were some other good ones in there. That was a break, folks. Matt Jones. Duke Johnson. TJ Yeldon refractor. Tyler Lockett. There's the Jameis Winston refractor. I'm going to sleeve that one up too. Antonio Brown, Robert Griffin, Devontae Parker, Amari Cooper, and Goldson. There's some nice rookies in there, man. That was a good little crop of rookies in there, for sure. And those are your bigger ones. Your Peters, your Jameis, refractor, Jay Cutler, and that guy. Buckhead Allen. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. That was the break